Who's she?
Hello. Come on in. Thank you.
Who's that lady? What's that uniform? Is she a...
It's the unit. Hello, my name's
Am I in a...
Come on in.
Where is this place?
My dad, Ryan.
It's so noisy in here.
Ryan.
It's so noisy.
He can, yes. Okay. Come on to this side of the bed then.
Bed?
Okay, over to
This
here.
is not my
That's
house.
wonderful.
I don't want to go to
You
bed.
want help with us? Of course, okay, if you could just gently help him onto the bed, that would be
Why am I here? That's not my bed. But it's not. This is not where I live. It's so noisy. What's she doing? Why is it so noisy? Everybody's talking. Will you stop talking? I can't hear myself think. Will everybody please shut up? I need to help that man. What have they done to his wife? Why are the police here?
Hello, Stephanie. How are you?
Stephanie?
Yeah?
Why did she call me Stephanie?
Okay.
Who's Stephanie?
Ryan, okay. What did I say? Oh my God.
Why am I here?
I'm sorry about that.
I want to go
Just
home.
the patient
I
was
need to go home.
on my head. So forgive me. Please. How is that?
Oh, they're talking about me. What are they saying?
Okay.
I don't understand what they're talking about.
How did it happen?
I wish they'd just shut up so I can listen to what they're saying about me.
Okay.
That's not true. What did she say? A fall?
Was this
What fall?
an A&E? You saying his head?
Why are they talking about me?
Okay.
Why are they not helping me? I want to go home.
They do any blood pressure, pulse? No. Oh, okay. All right.
Policeman's still there.
Okay.
They're not helping that man. They still haven't found his wife. They're not helping anybody in here. What was that?
Okay. Ryan,
What's that noise? What's that thing she's pushing across there? Where's she going with that?
Your observations, you're all right. You're in the right place. All right.
In the right place?
Okay.
This is not my place. I don't want to stay in this place. Where are we?
Okay. All right then.
I don't want to be here.
I don't know where she is.
They seem really busy, don't they?
What's she saying now?
Yeah, so I let Mum know. Mum
Mum?
knows that we're here.
Why is she talking? Who's Mum?
I spoke to Marcus as well. He's got the
Marcus?
dog at
Who
home.
is Marcus?
So I told him I'd let him know.
Is she telling me the truth? I don't understand. Who are these people? I want my wife. Where's my wife? Why isn't she here? I want to go home